through now. That's 72. That's what... Moving away up the hill. Next bike interview is the back row. Jenny Tinman, closely followed by 77, which is Hermit. Still no sign of Connor here at Glen Helen, but the wave yellows are still out. But the incident looks to have been cleared up a little bit, but I think there might still be a bike up here on the road. But wave yellows out here at Glen Helen. There's a the machine comes into view now. No, it's not Connor either. That's number 8, Guy Martin. Closely followed by 7, Michael Dunlop. Connor missing at Glen Helen. There's Bruce Anstey through. Cameron Donald through, sorry, closely